do ka ne beko
menga se bi wishe mabufo meko 200 million se wa ne de to gotem ayangrabe
ayo
sika bebrebe gotem atete akuya me buofu go fa so me beti me no benya kasa no pay
ofa ya no atu Ghana for no so before na anu video ye obi de send me na ensuo no to no na wo babesia sone bola gari woduru ho ene wahwie agumo no wadan ne ho no woko nipa ehwe no
me mani yi video ni be de kire me
anim gu asesem
si aposifo
eche no
because video no ya hwehwe oba na yebehunu ni anchi no na yemfa ne nkotum na nya esuansem akuya me bofu me ko nsembi abufu onkra hapa semfu akwa na mudi okurum ha 200 million na mudi tutu gotem monimu seji Ghana mpanifo no monimu seji me ko
abusia wo fadu na ne de ne boafuo no na asem no toda wanhwe ni yi a saa na beka na awerho se ensuo betobia no woni ye beka kire ye ni o yegusu ye ho adwuma ebi nsi biem eso ade no kwa na ekoso eti ese chese ye hu ne ye ho wo magimo enu nti na ne nyame aye yadom ye wura na adwuma konum se ye ne mpanimfo oda na adwuma konu no ntwetwe nkomo ne yenwe kwa be so na sese ye mfa mo ye ho ban esuo no eto a ye mfa he yenso aye niema na efise sese kura de babi ana nsuo no to a emfa omanfo ewo no mo enkohoro wo niema no enu na obi chese amanfo de me hade na nsuo no to e ma ha eso aduru ho no mo ehoro amanfo niema nyina de ko die na yenye ne yie die na esie ye enu nti ye hu ne saa eno nso abapa hunsi meduonu ena yi nyankopan ya dom amiensa kakasamafo ya wowo nadmadmako no mu ewo fiase owura Georgia isi eti ya ne hyase ne ahwe efri bra afi nsuo ne hyase no nipa dodo sen na afri mo amanfo agapade aseye die ntotoye ne wode agu akwa mu agya isi akwa aba o
ye nua menia ba
boko de
boade na daroma
ye de asida na emane ye da so say efre wo wagie so anopai
meni sita driver mene no ba obisa se akokra no akokra na
akokra so wo fadu wo ba ya no so wo fa ni say di ni fugu koi na de wo fadu bu ofupa wo beto na se wo modua da bi nya chibo wo fadu si man kosia na se wo beburumu nua wo fadu hu wo so sa vi se owura Georgia isi sensuo ni to na se wugina mu a na ho adwiriwo ewom se atuwenche mu aboafo mu ye adwuma no woni ehwewie mu pade mfo aka se nsuo no ne to no anu aden nanso ne eba no ye nim ne asi matumi aye hwehwemu ahuni esese ye koso ese baby nsuo to anka mfa nipa baby ya ese nsuo no to aye nka dem ana de na ekoso
yo menia akia memoache mamenchie wachiefu nyina ensuo no de dikan gmet fo aka se ensuo no beto kese pa na to kese enso afi ensuo begu form no edos papa na se ensuo begu form no dos a na ye gatesi a ye ne ye tehu ya ye nketenkete a bebre enso asisi ne ye ne dai so no na ma ya na sese so nkan ya sisi adan bebre enti first no ze nsuo no to a ya egu form ma enonom kwa asase no so be ze say me api egu form ma concrete ho enti na chese o se pen kwan ko gatamu enti ma bebresio na ebe cause epe gatamu afemu akono edoso pa asase no ntimi nonom nsuo no bebre na de toso biem de asase no nonom so nsuo no toto asobe na nsa even gmet for cancers even say 40 mm kra toso to asome na nsa ebema flooding aba the tall na no we am patches baby 71 mm baby 79 baby 78 into on the average enka say be 74 mm
ensuo no toto aso nansa
good
ensuo be fire
ye tono nkete be say 40 mm be miensa flooding beba
na chese nyensuo etokesi po etonkete
yeah nansa because asase no ntimi nonom nsuo no bebre na concrete no so dawson and ye gutters no so ayebo achibidi so enti no ne problem challenge kese a ye was say wo kan bibi so say baby wo ho a ensu fa ye hwe ye we no so American House East Legon kuya ne enti say ho no ma flood but over North Legon Hospital area and Ajingano ni nyina start flood e no ebasa debi nti ebasa na chese bibi esi bibi a ya suspect ansani akohwe achire kwan ye say aso obi esi dan esi baby a ensuo fa na waterways we be last time bi Parko Estate nso bibi say esi ye hwehwemu ekoye na chese na obi esi dan esi waterways so enti eno basa pe ensuo no baby anko ofa a oni obi ani asem no obi akọ no enti esa na ono so pe ono ane kwan na akọ enkofo afie mu enti eno ka ho na ma sa eno me flooding yi no eba wo miamia nanka ensuo ntam en flooding ye ba ye die mu so a akokra no ka about we o ma mutro sike bia ya ye de etiti gata yi mu em se no kra bufuo no so de bebodua yi o share dredging na kianka no de ye pa nadmufo ye te say aban ediska ma say ye dredging ye nigi na omunye storm drains ne yi be mre ba ye no ka chikakra but broni say better late than never enti nanki wa reshemu say yetimi timu ko animu a ka beboa ma ensu a to ne ensu yiri fire no ano be brass kakra be wo say omo ye adwuma no da ho koso enti adwuma no so koso aya na obstruction abam kakra because wati we no bi egu baby nti nsuo no the way anka be ko no edu ho ade no be blocking no kakra so
enti ese nsam san waka kire ne edine kane kwanya ya fa so asi ye dan a ya ye stars ne ka ho ne ya tusu mienu ye gata asisi ne ya toso mienu asisi aka ho ena ne toso mienza ne de he wo se ebia no amanfo asisi dan ya si akwan mu enti na chese metewase ensukwan mu metewase asa 200 million Ghana cedis no ayi a yese ye de si flooding anokwan no entumi anye wu.
Oh, I know the drop in the ocean when you're here. A drop is just a
drop in the ocean, and nature say a day. Sikani yakati and you
but a year titi we muno and no dear a bit me a boaka cra. But yes, they saw flooding problem na no a drainage minister nankasa owura attaching aka wo baby see a pese yes de ene den ehwe ne so flooding ano completely e be hia opepe pim enson 7 billion Ghana cedis
7 billion Ghana
cedis. And you we ya bia na Asempa
7 billion Ghana cedis na ebetumi ama nsuo na fire waja.
Say ya pes frontally ya pes ya so ano anyamencha de World Bank abem. World Bank the Greater Accra Resilience and Integrated Development Project GARIT project and as our project no so ya hwe ya next year problem besa basa bank asa ntu anamo se be bibi afia because GARIT project near last quarter of 2020 and in just a few October mu 20 next year
and
as can we 200 million or the Ghana cedis mu ba nesika sesemu a 1 billion Ghana cedis and in here 7
and a World Bank my 1 and they say 200 million a drop in the ocean nya botre na meba and this year manyoko no mpanin for so won 10 year ma biase say sika ya mo se mode chigata mu se mode yedan no a still nsuo fire no ma menkwa ma so sami jamfi ene kasamafo ma NDC amanyoko no bank town a communications officer yo da amanyoko na no mini abema morning
good morning
boko de
nkaka yeguso
yada Yesu ase anopa yenkoma ye ne kasamafo manad madmako ni di ye ehia eyiri fa yen wo mayimu nkran ka ho en wo kire se sika 200 million Ghana cedis no ampanimfo ayie se won fa nhwe ntete gates munya dwuma no ebrofo yusu ye ne se a drop in the ocean na chese sika no entumi nya hwe enso hwe se yanya 7 billion a ehio be yira fa ye Ghana ne eba no na mo 200 million no kura no mo kamu a se ne doso na yamfa nya adwuma
ni aba medas ugidi se e krata na nsane ne ye de ba bonten efa isuyi a koso e won kan ne mpatamu e na wo bisa me ho asem yampa ye de krata bi basa na ye di kan kra no de e kan ho asem ne se ye nuanom Ghana de share be bosume ba ko mienu ni issue ni started se eto na isu iri afa wonyema asai won dabre won japade na nam so ama yahwere Ghana de share ben siano yedi kan kra no as a political party NDC ema omunyina sheden ene yako. We sympathize with them. Na the yes say aban mwebia was aban the man nadmo any relevant state agencies are eye omatuma say enyema bi sesia ombeboa amaya so ano no aban fa sa amwa no ema wo na sa agencies no so enkeka omo ho ntempai enkoso sa afo ni nyina sen omonkoye omwa na wona uni baby edano unya baby mfa wutinto wona wahwere wonyema ombehia mwa kakra etimi agina wona so no aban hwe kwan a yebetimi afa so e de aboa omo enti we na ya asem wedi kan a ye ka ho asem e we krata ne de etoso mienu no nia eye asefem ene ayemhihia asem. Yes, no krense insuyiri nya de foforo won kan because of the way and kind kroi yesi ayelo no because we are first of all below sea level any the way yesi the engineering of the city no then since you start say to insuyiri besi sa problem no ye betimi ya solve no by changing the engineering of the city of Accra. And then I'm sure that opinion we need about 7 billion. But even before we provide that long-term lasting solution, there was a by Pepe Bia Yenese, a Fibiano, the equity of primary and secondary drains. I won't kind of a buying the Jessica, the Ama contractors, na contractors at Yimu. Netie ni atacha timu no yetinye yisa drains ni nyina ni wieso a odo ene kole na ensio ne tenefre kwapem hills na ebefa drains ni mo different drains na ekogu odo ni mu na from there ekogu kole na efi kole ni mu ekogu apu ni mu no sa odo river ne kole lagoon no so no yetinya tim se yetini tim ye de bonu friend dredging ye de abefo fidie kusim epebrim. That is from January, February, March. Timua. At least since you say May, June, July. Since you basically you bet in your brand was a pa. Ubunibeka say you bet in minimize the incidence of flooding significantly. If during the dry season you take precautions by desilting major drains, primary and secondary drains, and by dredging the Odo and the Kole on time. And on the year Abendia said this. Unfortunately, this year 2019, during the dry season, Abai Anye Sajuman. Anye Ministry for Works and Housing Anye Ministry for Water and Sanitation Omanye. I don't say that one is simple. So we check it online. You can Google the story or say Accra not ready for heavy rains this year. This is according to Mayor for Accra, Honorable Ajay Soa, on the 24th of March 2019. Star FM for morning show, 24th March 2019. And on the two guys said, Liam Shishano, because this year I buy aso ya I wasn't come take odoni kolinim no more this certain major drains in Accra no monye na na so ye abo Ministry of Works and Housing for so sa sen come hwe na ye nye sa de no a minister omonti di DMF minister ho enti nsuo ba be start ato ni yem hye ne se nsuo to a ye betimi enya problems in Accra ato yen chem e betimi ato e so abayan ka knew say normal failure and because of that this will happen the entire maker say ye yem hye ye ne say ni abaye nyina ye nim say Ghana nsu tobre no e ye June July pa na yehu ye heavy rainy season no e June July of every year e June July na nsu timi to fira no pa ekosi enwumre e June July na nsu timi to fira no pa ekosi anopa in Accra June July nsu eto nkan no eto che eto so a ano eden eno na be the torrential rains na eno na tade atoro ye nchema kese ba de ye nwanwa ye hu ni se ye mura June July mo as early as April and May inki ye nim se during this season the issue incident tokese na ya issue yiri ni atoro ye nchema ntam sisi ewo ye mamu ha no this is the time mpoa ye have many cases of flooding in the capital city and nansane ukudei ensio kakra ye to 30 minutes na no nya din biasa where light rainfall at all 30 minutes in some areas 45 minutes even here some official report about Bontia it says over 27 places in Accra and ensio yirifa we are talking about May ensio to 30 minutes and over 27 places got flooded now the young mama kwan say this time around no yehu so yiri ewo miamia eho nyiri ewo ya eho nyiri da ewo ya bakosemo we are seeing flooding in areas which have never been flooded before
enu wasem na same na PRO dia ba wa kire mu say Ghana for yemfo nsuo wo mbi na wo bi asidan no a wo ye chase nsuo ni ntumi nkofom ne to so mienu so no say gutters no esusa na asa ye choked aka ho na bi so asisi dan asi waterways esa niema miensen
mpacho se nipa obi to bola egu gatemu obi si dan egu waterways let me give you two answers. So last year so na amount for esidan SCC waterways na me bwana this year nkwa na amount for esidan SCC waterways
what's the population in Dawson?
No, last year there were buildings in waterways. The problem of buildings in waterways have always been with us. A poor planet. That problem has always been there. That's number one.
Asempa FM.
But last year, 2018, me boss catch them and say, the Ghana sika 1.5 billion cedis and connected to 15 trillion and it's deserted drains, constructing new drains. And last year, ensure toy, ye win for yiri e won kan said the air thirsty no enti e no de omoje ho aba so body age hu sembo so my ade omo de 1.5 billion I the Sultan I dredging of Odoli Kole so because of that they have minimized the problem of flooding in Accra e ba just what my sister it is 2019 opinion say enya dia o maye the Sultan enya dia o ma dredge Odoli Kole no problem aba and my young building in water pathways. Those are problems that our water. And no, you deal with it in terms of looking for a long-term solution.
So who say the silt in me ba Sami who say Sami me ba nyabotra wo beto so who from there who can say the silt no man yeninti and a problem yaba.
It is so clear. Opa clear buildings that water pathways nyina. Huh? Opa clear buildings and water pathways nyina won kan. Na ye de what say we nyina. Say one ti odo ni mu, one ti kule ni mu, you should be yiri won kan. This is basic. Obi a o kind of crowd think if flooding system na nyina ti ase. If you don't dredge or do during the dry season and you wait for the rainy season and sana wa adopt firefighting approach and found one buildings are clear from waterways. And so that na e ko gu hen Ekogu odoni kole ni mu.
Ba say Kumasi ni ada yes nyina so flade onti wo so de na ekoso.
O de meba e janto wase na mechi. So mia bebre na flood, and we are seeing flooding in areas and home flooded. The answer is simple. It is because for example, her flooding is system motorway ekun sojani ni nipa bakwe. Drain at that from East Legon fa motorway na sesa that drain be so much this year matching. Omutim obeche bi ho drain na da hono. Ensure a uniform over the years yet timid drain pneumonia timid contain problem no. This almost this year matching. Omutim all the major roads drains I can list them. Omonya basic distilling, the contractors like they are not paying them. You see, and there is a problem. I think so 2018 year, nanya building in waterways. 2018 year, nanya attitudinal problem of citizens. But this year now, and only the Munamuye investments in the self in Timuji. This year now, man, you uncle year problem. Buildings in waterways. Yes, so I'm going to and this is my second answer. Young fan imposed the Omokane the baller a good gaffer Muntinama problem we have. You see the bigger problem, you know, and your baller, and in kind of tier and kind of dorsal. Yes, so from we are below sea level. It's only top net, Missy, a capping house over a friend at TNS, and then they did good grains. You see, so it is not just about baller, refuge. The ama ye drains any ordinary kulina achukino do do na ye. But let me even deal with the problem of refuse. Minia, and now buying we na fa baller minister. Abai we only water and sanitation minister. Yeah, yes work. You need sanitation minister. That's the money in the Ministry of Local Government. Mo dia mo ba yi. Mo ba be say asoya obodo mo djuma ne say o mo prapra kum. Esa ball of figure temo. Ministry for Water and Sanitation. My minister, yeah, mammy, Cecilia Bnadapa, the Senior Utianaka. One of can allowances, or in penny for the staff in the Utiomoka. Say, Omo Munim Raswa, or Mother Ball of Gugatim, Yamam Ranyaju. Now, Yam Sesasa a ball at this. You, I feel will, Yamma, many the catch and say, Abaya Manisika, 197 million Ghana cedis. 197 million. And can it is 1.9 trillion. So fancy some ball on kai. On penny you got ball or got send a problem with ma. Chicano again. Now in fast one day on my Ghana young piece. So when government officials, government institutions have failed that, Omunya is almost shifting responsibility. No?
Institutions are working na some institutions are working na me dey ba fam na anu say nsuo yi to na me say measure that fam na me ko gina circle honom circle Dubai honom na wo so hwe sane flooding ni si ye a enti na me bi say nyini ba ko no ka say drains ya anye drains wo hon ka no so beboa enti wo kan institutions aferi abanya aferi no mo ma bre so Dubai circle Dubai ye gata ni ho tina chese mu nyina no maka abom na mo ha Ghana fo.
That's it. NDC address so that circle Dubai ho and I'm about 2016 say na circle Dubai ho. Maybe so ensure to sa mere no. About we say ensure to 30 minutes under John Mahama. Na circle tini flood there be see Provident Insurance. Who say be under NDC. Na enti ka gates no wo ho anka ne nka moa. Enga gata
2015 sir how no say buy
it. Let me give you
bisa say how no be na make sure say 2015 say buy
that was not that a year circle interchange. Kase all the people are trying to accepting responsibility in no problem be to be a buy mu ko bi person mo de say John Mahama buy na that may deal with so circle interchange ye John Mahama person. Yeah, who said John Mahama person so 30 minutes na cycle with Miria could do private insurance with 30 minutes light rainfall. Last year, who said to you was cycle and I buy Jinsen boss on I there or my the Celton 1.5 billion. And that is why you say I was cycle. This year the year almost say John Mahama. What kind of logic is that? Not in the last year the look, cycle project now on the many Mama Jebo say no. Nay, interchange projects of circle runabout, nay, that one, nay, cause traffic.
Asempa
Nay, Hatima before the project, Mahama, ye. Drainer at that circle, no, at Danny Bed, Inco, and a runabout, no, so Danny Bed, Inco. So the interchange project is separate, distinct, and independent of that drainer at Danny Bed, Inco. So you can't say drain, so that circle. I want to hear you say drain interchange. That is not the case.
Anti contractor no drain no one come on nka project no.
That drain no successive government aye hojuma. Even NDC and Adoma aye that drain hojuma. But me about you. And found you find impose Adoma aye interchange and the solve traffic situation. Amamu nyan to aso. Abai we better kunya so majebosi anko 80 billion Ghana cedis in less than 3 years no. Dear no metimi ede sa sika no aye. Omo de sa bo se bebrebe na omo je no. Omo tini nka say John Mahama solve traffic situation by doing the interchange. Yes, we are going solve the drainage situation by going to build a new drain. In any case, Mama Nchemu say, and found only drainer obeye e wo circle. And found only abelful drainer obeye wo. Se one say odonimu, no one say kolenimu a circle will still flat. Because ensure na fast cycle drain ni mo no ekoku odom na tia koku kole ni mu afa na akwapu ni se odono aye no odoni bufa so a cycle be flood. It doesn't matter the drain you do there. So omonya is omu problem no on cycle interchange. The problem is that odona wasn't capable yet team the John Dramani Mahama Nyaketwa Ibrahim Mahama in 2016 at Oriental to Ghana. Na odwen Ghana ho odo Ghana nti ofa ne nyuma yefo se yenko odom yenfa aban fidie a wo local government isi wa enyefe ye ko odom na ye expertise a ye won ye dia ko ye adwuma mo man Ghana yen your mind ne hwe ye adwuma ni free bonto papa yi infidie ko si nso mu opebra ye nyina ye hu adwuma wo ye your cameras whether you captured everything the salt your ye wo odom ni kole wan ye kapreba MPP for some no mu opposition omu di papa ya tem so pa na no ye konfo aden ye de intibia ma ne so nko ye adwuma e no ye konfo e na papa yi say me ana me se me ye say me jai omu ba ye do ma tinya to asa adwuma ne so ana
say dredge masters ye adwuma wo ho same
omu ko da ben minia so enye me ya mu no mo say dredge masters ko akọ enye me na wa twen ensuo eto flade nipa ewu 6 people have already died. Me mu no wakwa say red matters ye kote odom. Kote odom a you go in the dry season when there are islands in the odom. I want to be infecting the certain and not dredging. Now China you know in the next 1 week, in the next 2 weeks. Only say the first June and I'm one. In the next 1 week, in the next 2 weeks, ensure heavy rainfall is in about. Ensure no better to food day. The air you won't I feel never better. I feel firefighting approach the DBI and I feel a coach or Domuza. Now, January, February, March, no more yet. So, Minister for Western Housing, Minister for Sanitation, me boss, let me pay you for. You two of for what?
You. Some me and
why you wait in the rainy season and I can say, we're dredging.
Yeah, that's
so that is the problem. You can't say, you can eliminate flooding. But at least, think the sorting a annual ritual of Phoebe was away. Yeah, the sorting of the primary and secondary drains. Yeah, dredging or donny cooling tem or pebremua. And at least you bet you not say, it's really so cry, you bet you not swallow cacra. Yeah, and yet the air can you the kind. A by man and coso, yen deepen education. And because I had not any geological service department for omu adwuma pa say yam new education na ma for free flood prone areas or man free go ya evacuate people from flood prone areas now yam put emergency services in place ye dey contain flood disaster that ye ni mo twen ye na casualties are you being any disaster na you being very catastrophic.
You.
Now church some consulting you twa and faha. Umu se you gua, you talk time baby and because the way the damenasi am the care of and only cool ni ba no. country no cost number 1. Number 2, Acadia logistics facilities and what's saying during this heavy rainfall season, June, July. Anytime there is an emergency, they make to come to the aid of people. Yeah, have a matter and not move also they are prepared. Yeah, person will pay the usual talk and the usual rhetoric. If they know they have challenges or one can be more now more here they are buying for more. But if they say they are prepared, then we are also expecting say in time of trouble, they can come to the aid. Minister for Sanitation, Minister for Western Housing, I also go to Bejumato, and I also my penny or meti because of Medi Hamo or Mamma Young with one more number, you might not be and I see.
Yes, that's say Ebusian Communications Officer man NDC, a man you call Samijan fee, and Yaneno Atrain and Koma, or calling for the resignation of Minister Sanitation and water resource and a Jumayo, so Onumufa would dibre and to if you say wa fairly Ghana for Mamimisa Nadmufo Sanya Eja Yisi Kano, Yamusa Mo how it's ye say no Ghana for near Yanin Tumune say a Jumano, ma give you up, say moon to me some, and to me moyen, say ensure no be Yanin Tumsa fin sure be fire.
Main kasi nyintum se ensure be fire be challenge or how on say Sameka no baby menene ya adwen se mrea time na ye dey ti odonum no ade ha adwen kakra because baby a
ujitum se mo delay
a delay se on say me sha ase me can say better late than never because enka mrea ke was ye dey ti odonum.
Then he's right in calling for the resignation of those in charge of project nanke what's a cost no.
Oh, that one they say or no a politician, a political opinion or no anybody.
But say the Juma she will be in Sana when to me and what do you think say was any paneye? Yamonabaso.
Oh, that they say untimi more nipa.
If you say nipa wo, ya pedi nipa nsia and they kura me baby sa do saying there so far ya beko ho no mo. And so me gidi say bru nsia no. Enti no obi negligence nti nipa wu. Wo gidi say de na yenye.
Oh, okay, ebi o time wa sika no so ban so eka ho bi. So time I be release fans nipa no na ni so ade hu onim se odo no was ye team. Enti day na a delay. Main year politics by 2015 day na a CDC ansa na chire ye kope we ya betiti mu say Ibrahim gift no the ma ye no gift me in quotes because be more patches there are other things are benefits so we nyaye but no yeah another matter for another day. Enti sabi yina wo krom ha ye see be nya equalization I was saying June 3 report no ekia meka de bia se de be ye djuma anka this issue it will be a thing of the past. Recommendation pie wom be a wom drag masters here engineer site engineer no why is ametepe no ka committee no ho or technical committee based in technical committee member e wo nadmo experts in those things. Report no no. Be retention water upstream. Fi akuapem range no ba no ensuo na ba no nke yetimi tutu dam nketenketi bia ebeji nsuo no bi egina honom se ne volume na ebeba odo num no ebeba from kakra. It is a
report no monsa can be June 3rd report no monsa can be enti no recommendations ne emfa ba kokora anya adwuma
no ebi ni dredging ka ho dredging no ka ho
late dredging no ka ho
gabi late no omo recommendations say I was here dredging odo num eni omo ya adwe in fact kia o shako alajo de no so e mu start team so
team
emu team is just I was here dredge no so who's the president for year besi some maybe na alajo flats and some start anti dredging no de ahuhia oka primary drainage and secondary drainage no correct
na some penifo no na madi ehwamo because ye de adwuma hye wonsa wonnim sa report yi ya wo ka mo asemi da ho ye no aka say ye nregi drainage no na emmoa emma nsu yiri no tuntwa ena wo yebo engineer se woni akwada mu a wonim te biri we na wose yete nsuo no biri we na wose yatena ho no mo ama nsuo no ku nipa na che se afi nsuo e fa ya mo de amanfo ball ane ka ho na nso mo so no makum nipa
ena nsuo na eto no nso doso ana so ka ho nti o kan
ensuo na eto no doso a wo de onim enka mo ye mafamu de na na fa nipa na nka ya ka se Ghana fo ye yabro ye de ball egu nsuo be bisa no pe ma ka se mahu obi a wo de ball anu egu nsuo ba mo so ma anya mafamu de no
oh no dredge anyway no enya
me company for no mo enya see you eja
yeah because
sojani ne yire ne ba wonu nyina na nsu ahoro no
see ya me reho ya pa na me wo mo Joy TV and I drama scoop drains no excavator
eko yi nipa enti wo de so far nipa sen na afiri mo records no
from your records no me the measure to nne nansensu ye toy dano ansuo no toy no nipa baako na akola ba mfie dunu mo se dunson so ko baby okoto amnemu amna na me so mu tu edi ayajanan yosedai wa denta honom enti nsuo no twen no mo no wom na dechie maame bi ne ba ejina Newtown cluster of schools ho na wall ebugu omoso ene da no anhie no toy nti wall no bugu omoso nti omoso nyame de na nra omo ti we odo no mu omo se pani mfa ye nyanti e won initially ye nyanti se Fiesta Royale ho nsu twen pani bi be 50 years or so day but we are eating and say alajo ho baby and a twen
tinese pani 50 years no kra de ye hu no
yeah, I know up to now, it's real or it's not real. I know you fan kaya record.
Okay, the previous ones, and who say nipa say na records na say na munya.
The ebo bugu almost no the mate me say the back can say as a result of flood related. Say nya sad yeah. So far 12 first two way no nipa 12 and a female and waste 2 or 4 ebeka ho na say yeah ka 14 or 16 people. So I shot
I think you June July ni per 15
June July ni main
nti afen nsuo no ebeto
yankasa over 100 millimeters
nti no ne mahu ene mahu siesie amoboabo amuwo mo ewom se nyam na wasa muti nsuo no mo enyam na wasa mra no kora ama mo kwa asem nkobu obi dan gi se kokoto ne yi ansa nanso no se mo hwe amusiesie amaye no a June July ya ye komu no ye betumi agina no anasen ye nyina yie wo de ma ye hu ye gina he
yo menu aba baby agina na de bi empire bon say dread masters betimi ye adwuma na konanim pa enya honko ama contract near about 22 places where first light there no so koso omuma promampani share no boss within 18 days dredge masters on betimi awie baby aseni ekono ye kakra na nsu ato na asa hura begum no ABB enti na hofo no so by June 19th was the day say betimi awie omadwuma no tu omutimi ye wie a ebeboa pa ma we no abrase nti sumri enansuo kase no pa beto according to GMET4 na GMET4 mu forecast say ebemu pa nti emu orem kakra say bi Bernard Modie on standby say die hia pa ne say ye bebo enkofo ho ban ne ajapade ho ban nti flats ba baabi a ya fitu a ye de mase nyan ahwe yie me nante say nsuo ni we mu na BBC na danger be a show ofre nadmo a search and rescue team ya krado ye de omo akọ ntitie mu to prepare them for the rainy season into search and rescue team quick rapid response team no ebeba baby a wo bia na say wose ye ba rescue nkofo a ya be rescue omo be yenhwe ye nsuo to ama ye nante we no because nsuo volume no kosro and asenso ye swift ndi hwe papa sabe especially menka bisuafo ya be matenten gram one or da honra nsuo no twe no ahwe kura wotimi power na wato mu bo ni beba ho so na wo hye primary drain no ma ho so de nsuo agum no dose woni madwaye a woni madwaye kura de enti kua ye nyina ye nya hwe ye
ne wo kan ye kokobo education na ade ma preventive measures ben ena ni sugu akwa mefi se baby a obi atene se obi adwodwo no bodwuse mu te ho ene ye ka se baby a na nsuo mfa nipa kora no se ye fa nipa enti woni ete areas a eye likely say nsuo no betumi afa bo no mo pa baabi monya baabi say bosomi a yesimu idi ehu enti e bia mu nyina mo nkọ ha for the meantime ne enwe ade bibi saa wo ho ana say wo mo nkyena mu nsuo no fam omo ana matwe ni mu nkrofo no makọ yi omo
da bi akua ye de ye kan say ye wo baabi a ye frɛ no omo wo flat prone zones ye wo baabi ye frɛ no safe havens nad mo penifo wo saa mpotemu ni nyina mo say Joy FM hanum ana ha ewo kokomlemle ha se nsuo to na baby edu no ya ye ehu a obia emfa ne no ma na de no konkotena Joy FM honum ho ewo soro efre ho safe havens ya identify wo baby a che se wo be ma we yisu afifi akotena akobo hu adwa wo ho nsuo no gyae a wo ba wo fie de to so biem so
o ka se safe havens no e de ade na ma ye no honum omkoto
oh no yan hwe bia sorry ana say baby e wosoro hu ansa na nsuo no flash no be yiri abedu ho no
nsuo ne to na bepo ho no ma furo bepo no na gina mu na nsuo no mo wa na
identify places e bi o sorry e bi o stadium e bi o school baby I was nsuo no ansa na be yiri du ho kaneshi ha sports kazuma na sports complex baby identified we call osua Independence Square ni stadium identify nti e wo mia bebre
ti eno no mo educate ni pana de ya we if say me North Kaneshi na metie me yisa wo kan mente say Zuma sports stadium na wo me mfichiri ho no metumi akohye bi mi yisa wo kan mente
oh okay continuous community
education no more
education no your zonal coordinators and district officers dey nyina within the locality ekoso but you bet me page yi mu kakra na the radio intensify the radio education TV education also
if you say ene ye first June enso no asemi hu ne se ne moye ne da no saa na moye ne bo abre so ayenim se wo kon wo yanim ne ehu pa wo yanim enso ase magogo mo bodwise saa na mi hu no education po
yes
ase se mada o
ye na ye menu aba ye na be ye wadwuma ya igusu ye be wasi
efisa moni anwanu amoche ne de ka ye kura ye mpa ye ne se eja isinke ye mpa ye ne se ye mfiri sa part ne se net wadwuma chemo cha anwa che blanket na nka ye preventive yi ne se ye ntumi nsia no kwan ye makura wohu
anu ntina omo ye dread ye age
afi ye mpa mumu ye mpa manwa
ye mpa se bedu honom kra ntina omo ye dread no me particular beniji and not we niji say dredging do you say time no ya catch but yes bibi asha see aye because odo no mu esipa say ne o kan call no e honso ne hia pa nti uti ma baby a omuti no 6 feet deep or even 8 feet a bit me akọ enti na chese nka emu da ho a nka sa 6 or 8 feet nyina ensuo na be gada enti ansa ne beba soro abespeliaba Sahara ne other places e wo odo no ho no na chese ensuo na topa but we though 45 minutes was the same but the volume no high 78 millimeters near there just ensuo no talk asiye pa
more emergency numbers be as in case baby anipa ne te ne ho kire no a mo betumi afra mama beso ni mu
yawo
fabi tudwana yenkwe
short code 999 obo
999
yes option 4 obo ano bisa also per option 4 option 4 no ebe bread obeba na
say obo 999 na ebe ma options no we choose 4
no obo 999 obi befa
Okay. Okay.
The nipa no fa also per option 4.
Option 4.
Until on be trawa to na just cornered more straight. We are what's about 0299 350 350
0299
350
350
030
yo Yadamasio.
Me no we circle Dubai we no me dem empire bonus aban behwe because omo year we no engineers no year drawing Emma aban that time say drainage we no underground tunnels be bre fa honum I be nsuo kogu odonum nti edu ho no a ni nyina akọ underground enti omo year say design no yeah traffic will reduce no year but issue problem so ebeba enti this is it in fact omo de ma aban enim de yeah
and na some make say na nka ho a different project.
No. Engineer na ye ma wo mu say problem e bebe ni wo mu ye.
Engineer no da na
engineer to design the ma wo mu. And your cost no buy am say enka sa we no hunti you know omo afan ye adwuma. They get it. That is the challenger because all your way no fine beautiful solve some problem but create another problem. Hunti engineer no hu ye and or consultant no can say you know a buy na can say almost draw we no famra and almost draw the buy be o man fan ya adwuma. You get it? And no can't challenge, no. But me no again say dredging of the odor no ye vital and critical. But we so up the my problem biasa be ka ho a hadwe. But ye koye nim no aban foforo wo ha aban wo so say no. Me say yen hwe ntwa company en hwe say sa document design wo ho. E kwan be na ye betimi afa incorporating no into it so that we no be before.
Yeah, that say education ni me guso sre. Monko Eastern region, monko Ashanti region. Monko capital nyina na da monko e no wono mo
education dey hu hia be yes ye challenge kakra on dey ye ne benefit ka education materials no hu hia
na chese munisika na munisika
because what call oni nipa na koka na so wunya
document question to answer meba nya botre question to answer munisika
about
munisika mo dey ye adwuma.
Oh, you was sky de adwuma kakra
ba education ne de wo mu won say ni osika wa say
material no na make say
ye di sika na to material muni sika
oh ye osika kakra
ene mo nkoto material no bye bye monkoto na munya adwuma no wate
akuya mate
yeda se pa say ye frɛ wo waje so anopai abusia owura Georgia isi ne kasama for man na adwuma ko no ye se obi bebo wa mu agya na agu ho no te se wo abegya na agu nti mesrɛ wo ba bia wotie ne nya wo mo keka ne se ya wo asɔre firi ho sɔre firi ofi se bosome no ene ye 1st June ne ye be hu no sensuo no nto ye kora se 15 nipa 15 na every mo entira ho ne nwu kwa wuwi a ebeba be can never again no anu nasa
ajuada ye 4th year of June 3rd never again too.
Hey na ye di wure mu no ye di wure mu no
and for na affected we ma me 1 minute bi America affected victims na sabi aban pass amre aban so bebre mfi omo medical yi na omo wu ye busuafo mo bi 10,000 baby kaya omo ntimi ahwe na me ncha de beni aban ebe ma Ghana obeso Ghana aban mfi with $200,000 so eska
beni he ya na ombe boaye
boy
afede beni na moje support today
samre no kia no was some to wa
ayela sa mu de dru beni
heti yankomo mo $3 million omo atoye nchem eto wo Ghana yankomo mo $3 million
yeah that's it
patch say by yes
it is can be aba ya mo de be ma
yes enti sa victims no munya abutre in fact your director for relief andani ni omo akasa ndi hope say June we be 15 to 18 for there almost abeka almost checks na almost midi the relief kakra bre
yeah that's it papa minu abema bi owo mu a na nim hyehye ya wo so oduru fie na ne medwane ne manhunu no mo hu ne mobo na mo mfa ne check ma no na ontumi mfa nhye bibia se yeah that's it pa ura Georgia is nyamisha se waba anopai abusua enanopai chese ne alafu so abeya amami anopai de nyankopon no nhira won nyankopon nhira mo papa efisem te anopai nanka me twen se kokoni kose eso wonumu abre me chese milk nie milk pa ye friend se milk en wonum dia besi atwati se doso team pampa alafu sufo medamase pa unin se ne World Milk Day. We are singing milk no. Ope calcium dia na chese boa no na nya milk bia na milk. Ya ka ala fuso a wonum na de dano milk abedwa so. Dano milk. Papa dano milk. Anope ne ma ye no medamase. Mama na adwuma na mbe ma moka nyamishira mo. Dan ukona akoto milk na no ape dano milk. Dano milk ala fusu na diaba we misramu we tea na magina no pay na manomo tea na magina manomo ala fusu fu adawroma nyamishira mo ne wo mama me coffee o mama me strawberry ni bi na milk powder so ka ho na me mpe de maje me da mase ala fusu fu nyamishira mo papa na abusia enche ye bie nhoma no atum na ade wadwenkyere aba adwenkyere no so fa bi ko Facebook ya Asempa 94.7 FM betumi di adwenkyere ni bi ato sada so na akua boachi wa yi adom on Facebook ni esremo hwe emanche amowo banda banda se bunu east na wo ya na se bunu wanchi mansi no mu ya moso mo se mu DCU se mu MC mu koyi na firi wonom se ne krachefo no ye no ma menka nche mu krachefo no ya chi omo sa wo mpe DCU a emre bi ama ho kwa sa wo kɔ na fa wutumi se makochi DCU me makochi DCU nipa wo no dai se go na da no bambo ewo district one mo no da no na wo watumi akwakochi na bodyguard gina wo se me de ne koma police for banda area ho no ya tete mo keka mo so mo se efiri dwada ekɔ mu koyi DCU e di na free office mo da mo try a police for no try mo unipa kure bia ufia woda no honyo nti upese ukoda baabi ade we etia mra chirimra kokokokokoko eti ya samno so yedi akire bereba mu aye behwe ne ekoso wo banda ho no mo na abusua ye bia nhuma no atum bomode na fo adwenkyere bra na yemfa enkoyanim 0302 216545 0302 216545 and 0302 216546 subetumi afrena wode wadwenche abadwumadie no eso Philip Bedu de ya wode aba wose ebi waye samija mfi dwen se Ghana fo jama ye wire fi asem sa asem no omkan obi a wire mfi wi o kan se won kana no ntuma ye dompan no ne mala man wode efire wose akua hwe seke ho no mode no senka edwomama ban etumi edene na si fam constructi gatasi yie ya nke beboa nka na adwuma no oye ye nke bedimu wonu mu anya na akofa sa ha no aba te se wo keka sa ansem no chia owura George isima me papa na kache samija mfi se obi an resign ba bia dompan no ne de ya wode aba no abusua ma mehwe se afrefo no ahyase e ba hello minia
yes abajoa agone
minia ye baby girl no me ba me ba ni se kakai kache no me ba pa kache se me na no de na mjem ho anye na mjem enusu ntumi nkasa akora no wo je no akora ndi e wo
akwane de bednama yo adopted daughter
mikitem twe
na awon ade bi se o se Saturday jamba mkasa wie no the Sunday the national chairman of NDC honorable Asempa for kasa or drive here straight to Majesty Honor
na so won no to akwada ni dinti na wo so wo ba
yes o say e wias no obi wo part no say na Majesty kwa ya kana na oye den na honorable Asempa for I don't know like me benisa yeah e wias so di ni kwa ma penya penyinu ado ye ni bibia I'm for Jimmy D. China to corner to Jimmy D. Chief Bani Jimmy D.
Yeah,
before my contest, and I'm a dream mouth. What's the I did that work in the mom.
You call any my
with the pain, I saw booping. Is that what you are? They be bad me say, why your party, Jumayan Yeno? Your boy Basso, make a take of Mingo Pam Pam. But constantly play, and you play for say, over to Sam George. Me na me break it news me.
Oh, better will be to Sam George.
Yes,
na Sam George and one meresa.
Ah, na some majesty me emre. Majesty me emre. Some minute Sam George go to team mensa. And I masa as I be two. Maybe to Sam George no. Na be two so.
En gran for nyum yo mutu enya no ja tabiole.
Wo ja tabiole.
Wa wo de.
Me majesty. Me ni alasa. Any Sam George ni ko tweet mensa. Me ni alasa kuya say to Sam George. Chapate money ya na radio snu TV zo.
Majesty to aso na say wo na ama papa pani na were ho no ho dia were ho ade ko wanim to aso.
I'm a police for me golf. I'm chime golf this pam pam o. I'm chime golf. Party money ya no. Ya chime golf na si ho na me ni alasa fa to di be fie. Ni nya Sam George wonti.
Asempa FM.
Na za ba to a. E papa na na kufa ado. Ne bagel odi ni birthday 35 years okodiwo landing of a King Promise at the count obia yeko mo Ghana hey interest asem we see what JM the bagel no be 35 years ekodiwo landing afa satawale di kan kwa sana oku jongbedu fedible o me nya so Ghana
enti eno meba o eno no Majesty wo hawo ewo mu oni say wohu se wo kro no adupre yi ode koye wo man yi sika no ode ekoye wo de King Promise ko de wo man yi sika na ekoye anase wo ha pa ne sei
me ha pa ne sei tama na pa nya president no ye ni nya na di birthday wo we aka na pa gba akwa no birthday ye nya ye di aka ni ma ho ye di oni ma fi ho ho ni nya di ada nya pe se na ba no say mama dia obi aka ni wo say ye na do dia no be di
wunyi masem na no
me ya no
wohu se wo de o man yi sika na e kura na say birthday na wo die ni papa e mampani na wo di birthday awako UK na yawo me say birthday de bia ye ni mienu nyina eni jogbodu mu eni samia okumu eni sifu pe aka ye di wo da pasio aka na pa ye to ko di sa wo nu aboti en fa hu sen of a Mainska. Such by no, they were gonna hand my pay for. We go pay me for a cocoa farmer. Sakoko farmer, no, or wife is here. So I'm paying your pay, I'm going to find your president. No, go farmer, no, we pay me for. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's Majesty. Well, so they are with the Abba. Hello.
Hello, good morning, Pia.
Good morning, Minia. Udini baby, I feel you.
Me patro de Mesa Sabanim Katafru Kumasi North Central.
You, Minia North Central for whom you are booming.
Me patron of so bia unye kwia me do aspire mami check deputy chief of staff Mr. Tansu Boate bebe obi amtiano ana na kwame atama Boate akwia wana ya masa center DC or hard working DC akwia ano pensama sami jemfi eken na me person ka obi se sami jemfi say de 2015 de si wa Accra na nsuo eto ema nsuo eyiri ma petrol se eja to we eno tuna e hwan
Asempa FM
hwe amani wo mu no se an trasa de we si o se ye ship brim ye safety brim de bia na o ma na nkuru no makua hwe about ye ya no nam Kwame Nkrumah Memorial School ya wo ni bu si ekua de ntina ye hodu school authority no responsible because here one me need to fit and a buyo I bet crack it for some time it the time one crack you know get in the school authority no more you know about closer a natural disaster what is so no one cracking a bua a natural disaster no son to you get no to or no one net and button a key and the school no one book so it's a clear and no to friend natural disaster. There's so money, you decide you will not decide among your four. I bet no man up on him. Yes, you don't say the blame or the blame. Check about entertain here cycle now be some dem fi and so ni yiri all also ke ye major drainage yanya hwe kajetia me do ba kuma se kajetia so mo se yesi ai shopping mall go e do mama me so na ye the same thing yanya drainage kuma se kajetia no drainage ba ko gata ke se ba ko kura ni wa e kwa me no mi no se so to kuma se around kajetia wa ye hu be so ni ba fa. And so, your engineers will come, your engineers will mind. As I'm here, not a question politicians. You want your engineers and supervisor, Jumano. I didn't be busy. Here, engineers, now you get to show Montano. Okay, yeah, hold on. There's a minister be Yaman is on this state gata one this time one is on time into all resign. You be so be resign. You be a now from some come home on is Asempa. Now I so for opposition party. Also opposition party no.
Yeah, that's Minia. Yeah, that's it. Hello.
Aba my brother.
Adumu Minia na so e.
Yes, admire pa.
Yo, great must to asumayen.
Mamentia what is Mamentia Mr. Besson, one of the
Asempa FM.
On about it is so. Nienti papa and jacket on about Mr. Fishes on about it. Obama, for share into Julia after you with her. I am funny question and more former president on the money Mahama. Obekaya, a circle. China is the best. And if you got ya na a woman penny not take and in soon to take miss them in soon to water na omuya get a former na former president done much that for much to get but Muton who is here really but here John opposite of there for the back and much to that Mamuye in what to do so fast yet over what is mean what overhead idea because I don't that now you that is that they are coming former president and then you are maybe because you are not second make what the big insult of one for people because the whole party that after I'm not talking I took what after the including them the big wrong from maybe and they are small kind of winning that competition now my majesty yeah men put away no for years they are not it means on your papa and community MP
Yo, great emos, and now I'm human yet, my menfa NCA say, hello.
Hey, Aqua.
Efo.
Yamisha.
Unsha so to Asumayen.
Great emos. Idamosi, Otumunu, ni no Basen, Law Pioro, in them. Lemutunu. Aqua, Gedicano, Maminda was last out here me war. I don't mention the way I receive in the City. Wouldn't say. Now for journalists for the who pona only Casadi will be or say on wow for you near transfer bed. We any papa Yamishra.
Asempa FM.
Manincha Honorable Quadro Ponkroma on any deputy Minister of Information on any deputy Michiam Papa. Naminchan another down Kwakuadu, Adumapoye, white to Michiao and Namichia Kiki. Aqua I told the dinner Utras Wogana. Now we share NDC for Suba with Namwa. Na eya reku. Because a bani say na waya mu anoma kokonte
anoma kokote uko transo so na unu so a uba ni na si uti hwa na anu so ta na ndi tifuate na utie sami jaifi ade a o kanu a eya wreho se utena so Ghana utimi ye green we ye overhead na green de de fantina ho ni hwa no eno na papa no kanu yesi ye di design ni by se munya munti Ghana fo ho wow NDC fo pa munti Ghana fo ho na mutena ti ya ma wadwuma se ye na wo traffic no so traffic problem na wia na nipa mo ade wudi na papa akwa mi si na na sa wo kwada na su tono na mi call PSM ko program ye do circle mi si utimi ko kan ba anti me ye magni se sadia mi si na mi nanti so no na mi ko other side mi ko fu aka akwa ya wreku afedi so na yiri ama pata terapia opoku kese nam de ananti so mo circle na to mama atuba wa ye o circle no se Ghana ye serious bank abadisa NDC ye se ya chomu na agu prison atuba boni be na mu ye ni sa se ye tra akuya ye mbisa se ye transfer Ghana hadi da no overhead no nso to asatam na no overhead ntra wo no na nso ni yiri ho ana tuli di dasi di akọ na mo be ya aduma boni we wie na mo asa atwa mo se na kufa do no ma so fa nipa Ghana ya rehu na sami jaifi ye ukaru ma katawa no sukura because aduma mo ye no ewu hia sem enne ma ye fake ama na mo nyina atunya ba fake akuya minya na mienu eno na otena me ni megiri be ya aduane adi fake aduma
ya da sefo hello menu ya udini ba bia frefre o so udin de say wa homa no ambition to asoma yen
menu ya ti say yo me too cancer
adom so mayen
yo edisi for na kese Uma no move at the Kaika Gala for. So be free or see another back. While we're 2 points after for this birthday. I'm president, former president, Mama, Niman Wakuma. Niman 19. This is a send a waha. Ninya Papuchi. No, no, of violence. Over the north of to tell the money back. Come out there on Mayday. Minya.
Yo, that's Minia. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning, Aja. Udini baby free.
Ari unia baako. Awaka wotoko amponsa prof.
Yo, amponsa prof twasoma yen.
Minia ba nyame nhyiraw na onka ho. Papa bo mangana.
Onhyiraw so.
Amen. Many were feed the mentia on a book of your pon kuma, and no lawyer John Kuma, or Bon Hoduma. Circle overhead, and then my text say, death trap, ya between and I had the Sumbon, the book contractor now, or you overheading. Any then president, as former president John Mahama. Identity am kasa contractor ye adwuma na drainage no wa yenu kitenkete ensuo ta ensuo ni ntimi fam ana se ka ko ye huhu circle so ye bia nipa twam papa circle ehuhu eno na me wo eno ensuo peti kakra na misuru won enti ye sre sika no mu wasting bebre na o mantimi amfan ye adwuma no eya ha adwen emo mane te konachi so minua ba me de Asempa so to ani eya ye beto aban 2016 na former mayor Mr. Kukurantumi point no will be sick hospital no choko we need hospital no dey paywood minua ba we to aban valley huma papa ni nya empini wini ye no no ano akaho eti yesre no wo metwaso no so wo ye hospital ase wonya ye mpina no ano no o enana o ye mayor no so no say Ghana ye hani o pese o ya akra ti America no be see so nka na ahabe nim sa ahabe se ne be ye ni to ma ha ena gotamu fi eti yesre no omra ne peso aso no mehwe ye
yeah that's amponsa hello
oba my dear koko
adom minu ana so e
yesu admay ala gege
yo mini atrasoma yen
okay mama na wa who share and sema abante no prayer no we can friend of kind present the Republic of Ghana present Nana Danko Tufado ne may AFP evo US will say ben UK nya dia dia tempe kan ne no ni na some banko wi election indi ne ma awa wo mo a obi enu so poti amano ne so mu di omba bi no di nipa mi no ni ensan kwa eno no na Ghana fo nyina so empanto aba Ghana fo enyine no so na Ibrahim Mahama was fine ye kan thing fake checks ewo port be almost about 14 million Ghana cedis na Ghana fo eja sa Adebonia former president no bia ni ejina se o mampanyini ne ma edibedi ono adi ska ko nti eje no so ni akoto aba na ede ma Ghana fo eja sebe di party wo bag landing eni ma boni oyeye na wa hese o mampanyi di ni birthday into ne ba we ne ma aksan ko UK o abrekro no ani sike na ya he no so ni ejina so na ede ato aba no ni ebe jina ede ato aba ndi o mo start no mo pay message bia 44 you know bit me na go dey o ma start kon dey tiba be 50% 2020 bye bye
Eda siminia Edase yemfa afrefo no ensiase na yemfa madwinkyere ba komienu na ye mpem emfa enko yenim se Obama de we free pokwase na eba wo se ebiribi a mete se NDC amanyoku no nipa bi ewo mu te se samijamfi kasa de fa ehua eyiri ho no ebi wa ya me ho dwirime efi se mebisa me ho se sa nipa wo wure na fi asem eyebo apayo ana se toda na wadwen no ayira kakra efi se enkran se ye kan hwia egira enye nne efiri mesanti nyina na mampani dada John Dramani ma so ba ye no ye bia kane ne yehu etika che samija mfi se woni abreso na nipa wo ha ene aduonum ewuye ebo cycle kro no a timu onka ne sa banyi ena jama wonumu abu enuagu wasumuo ofoforo so de yode aba owura adomako se dodo na afrem yenso what mede madwenkyire efiri apaguso ye bwasho jama mensimu ena eba ose bi wa mamenkyire wade mu kakren me observation amaye efa ehue yiri fa nipa ne atwewenche mo atu nipa wo mayi mu no me ma points maako enan ne edika ne se yetena se yemhwe han masuo anasa atwewenche tu nipa ye wia ne yetusum yenu na state officials edimirika no o makowo no mo na disaster site no so na o makowo omukọ no ma na omu ne abusuafo ne omu eprepra na akokasa ne yetusum yensa na o ma promise se emu amaprepra yebetua mo hospital ka bisu awu a ye behwe ne aye wayie ne yetuso enan owia na chese yie no waye ne yetosu num compensation mo se ye be ma compensation packages on beka so mo de be ma no ebi kura wo ho no mo a enko na ni nyina awie du no akua ne bomu a ne se ne asan akoda na disaster no asan to ye bio o manya yetimu eno no nyankopon ehu ye mobo Mr. Adomako ena de we aba no na ofoforo so edie eni wo se mehu adwirimi se MPP amanyoku no wonumu enne wo bo blame game wa mamu a ye de oman no ahye wonsa se wonyemu ka kire wo mo se yes free bibi se maintenance culture ye free bibi se practice of maintenance culture se wodi so a kanane ye hu enka ye hu etu oman mu mpanimfo nsori na adwuma ye wo se wo ye no wonye ema Ghana fo nyina eho enwo se prince said we free ayensua no na ebo se bi wan ya konsem enkoma battles abusua enyina ka kire wo se mema won ya kopa papa onso ne de ya wode aban no enche sabre make say François Edru ha sei yane no ebe start say ya ne akom na p leverage so de ya wode aba p leverage kura de obi na wuyi na no ende wo obi twere ja no na ne obetwere no say ye kan ye be kan na kwasi pepra bonsu wo se ABY Sami Jamfi ne ho yɛ nwanwa pa ne nasɛm a waka de ahi ne yɛfafiri mu ɛyɛ bisa no ma me sɛ de ahi na ɔpɛse yɛfa de tubotomu bisa me dem tie mante hwee mensa saba North Central so de ɛyɛ ɔde abani wɔse ebiwai bisa Sami Jamfi sɛ bere bɛn ɛna realize sɛ yɛ gates ayema enti yɛnkɔ ne yɛnkɔtim wɔyɛ very 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 funny Emmanuel no teso de ɛyɛ ɔde aba ɔno so saa wɔse Sami Jamfi yɛ funny pa o ene so wahu baabi a wonya bi mfamfa ne ode aba no Derry Jojo so adieni wose Ghana senke papa niema nkoye ewo manumu Daniel Katanga so adie ye ode aba Katanga wose ebi why Sami Jamfi fact no na wode egu fem no Derry Kopon wose ebi why me nwanwa Sami Jamfi asemi wode ye politics hwe nipa wu Ghana ye ni abra hwe politics na Sami Jamfi yo no honom no owi na ode to aso se politicians di omunyina omusun baako Philip Abedu so adie eni wose Philip die makan so to August so adie eni wose mehwe ofri Accra jowlu na mehwe mo efre na nyame ehu ye nyina ye mobo papa François
mami
boko die
jana dum no mpabo
yɛda nyame ase afei wawie ne na woyɛ no
miguso na wotwe de man sɛ danko me ne mu nyina wɔ nkra ha ya ebi nyame boa me wie program ya ne kyese ɛyɛ kwawu ano no kwawu ko me de da bia me kwawu ko
esa sɛ wo bibi a woyɛ wo ho ma me mfa seda emma kebam abusuafo yɛde aseda ma kebam ye wo meka kebam no wo bisa bam de wo nsuo no ahyase etotɔ wo a wo sasaburei wa ukotodwe tutuwo sasabro se wunim sasabro esuo ne hya ase ese gugu abehwe na waposo umia wo nhyɛ da nte yi ano umia wo hu ba bi kura ye oya esu dompenu mu ye wo ya wo hia kebam de eye adwuma bo se poho sa wodi twi se bibi na hunu wo se sasabro bi hunam na tutuwo wunya kebam a no watibi na de asra so uti bisa na de asrasra so boko na bon kakran ubense ju se fom ne ye wo bia mo a mo ye sports no wo a wutu mirika wo a chese wanyini wanse wunyini no na po ebam due nyini na po obam eti sa biri na wuhia kebam na de twitwi kakran wusisi na ye oye na de bi atwi wo ba bemma wo bia nkwada nyina se wo pedro ba ko a wode sra ya ohunam otutuwo ne awu bia na ye friwa kebam we no wo ewu bodi no amre udodu pharmacy shop on ma si kebam na mihia wo abusia se ene wa bie pharmacy shop bi na kebam nimu a watu atwi adwuma no a wo ye no kyese nkoyie kona kwaji kebam ibi Kofi Krom Pharmacy Limited for na aye we aye ointment kebam ointment kebam ointment okwasi kebam ointment no wagewade na ne duduo mu de abusuan wo pe bi atu afre adwumakue na wo mere ubi ne ehia so obedale 02467622424 02467622424 and that's 02081233739 na ne duduo mu ne wo pe bia na wode abrɛw kebam ointment wose fatwi ma wo honto say from metachire ene so rep your jesi na bushia me kan ho asem a ebere no anya so ene yi aviation social center nya gro rep your jesi ene wunim se ene na chese UEFA Champions League no final na ye ne eti nei wo Tottenham chese agro no braso teams no ne wo mu obi ya no ebere no anya so na repio jesi no ne de hyase awie ya ye de hyase pramunya to say grim aviation social center wo de team no a wo tachiri no say ye kotokwa hye kokko na fakọ say ye dua Anastasia wo de bekọ say ye hasofolk a wo de bekọ wolin konson t-shirts no ebia wo bia de wo mbi local teams na visa bi so on ma foreign no wompe it's local teams no the aviation social center wo benya repio jesi wo jesi a wo behye na nwumre no na che say Liverpool ene Tottenham Hotspur match no na ye dia bom say egbam na no etwa so eti bomoden awie ko na kwaji wani toda all work and no play ebe mo aye door boy no aye say bote na te ho no mo unya bi ebeboa na Champions League no so anwumre yi Asempa Sports Multimedia Sports ye ni kiremu Bush Canteen Ajenga no East Legon ehwo no mu na adwumadie no ye de ehyehyɛ so nti awie ya edidamu sa wo de ko Bush Canteen na kɔhwɛ ye de dwom na ɛhyɛ ase anigye na ye de hyɛ ase saa eduru anwumre no a na kyese dem ye de yade esne ene ye nhwimom ene yi ene de mimini de ede weekend yi ede ye hian se wode ho behye mu bi na Vodafone so de tumi no ode ma ye ni o se ye kasa ye nsuro wo to credit na kasa wo nsuro akire enya ne dodo mu so 1 Ghana na wakasa saa wo to 1 Ghana cedi no a data no ne de bi echewo na ese wo duru 4G no Vodafone duru 4G no se basa wo download bibi wa bundle na wo download bibi a entam na chese a download speed nye speed yetio speed boko wo de ne make nyina pese onya so mfa so bi a ene bomodern na dial *200 hash *200 hash and I said *151 *3 hash na chese odo hwashim Vodafone say the future is very 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 exciting François
amina
yeah that's it
makia say we aboko de
adom no yeti no adom no emu ne yeti
na me de ti ade ama me nka me pemrik nso o make de ageme num bisa
wanum bi enye ye dano milk
me
dano milk e wasa wonum
I also me num bi me ade nka me pɛ bat ho do nti me pɛ se obeyese me
ye ma coffee no
mo ma me coffee no na ye ma me
o fi se coffee wom Tino yebe ma coffee no
mate mame
anope ma ye show
mate ye do ma se
afa fusu fo ededa no make abre
ye do ma se bibiri makuya so mi se me de da bia sa na me kono sa na do dan kwa kudu
sa wate ne asi
mate bibia me ba isu na me tie opa na dum PR me tie no sa me de man se dan tie but man for course kakra no mo ye mama nya the input of what he said mama ni kancha his excellency na do dan kwa kufuado vice president Baumia me MP honorable branch champon DC Isaac Japan mpanifo ye ne ma wokowu a me se mpuntu de me de mani ehunu na meka na me begira ha na meka honorable branch champon asema omo ye bibi friend the project omo the projects ane wo hodada ane wo TV constituency ene de Brian by wabeye na se ye wie ne ye de paper na beto abonten obi a ne MP eso wa develop the area chain branch champon no omra
o say project ne say
the projects
yeah
ye be launch the projects ye categorize adwuma the previous government ene ne ane wo hodada even the MPP ye nyina ene ne Brian champon any Azika Japan buy omri abeka me kan ma menchia former DC NDC Sam
na kono hwe wanim
sa ho
se parliamentarian bi beka se adwuma abadada no ye no ene ne me ma be ya to aso ni nyina mi be bu ho nkonta ma ye hwe
ni nyina ye de ni nyina eba na fe amanfo nso ahu adwuma we entina mama san echia former DC no MC ono nso betrase ono nso be ye de kakra na fe mi chia mi nu atafo hene na kwasi opokumenta na fe mi chia Senate boss award na oje no mekua o hwe Ghana CC pass Senate boss and the transformation going on over there me say was here born abasu biem
okay na fe ma menchia me papa ma me adokofo
oh okay ono so board yeah and na onu say
on da bia me ka say onko ba bi wa bra o make
impact yeah actually he makes an impact
on change wadi animodi aba wo Senate ho
yeah enti me chia o nyina na afi me ncha jasibu akone say Obama
yo
makuya asama odi abai me the pass some panifu mienu na abaha because some do ma bai da bia maka omo banus na omo bai enye me makuya o de maminja o asema me kan de atie for person o tie free me
ma me fan to dwasa abusia sabi ya make say Peter Mensa na kwadwo dankwa na adrufie ha say
the propaganda neba makuya anti media da bia ya me bisa me ho asem say da be pa na Ghana politicians a me Francois make ho bi da bena I don't want to sound insulting. Just say that be pan ye be translate the adua to for my adwene ye manfo. Ni ye jai se bibia ye de be politics. That be akuya me start to go studio you know the way I speak that is how I speak every day from Neat FM, Asempa FM or my FM, Hot FM be bia me ko bia the way I'm kasa da sana me kasa. Na that be obi e maame ne papa ewu ensu atom ensu afa no ni abetira ha MPP time no na NDC time enipa 125 in the wu ye na NDC time enipa say ewu so enipa wu a eyakono but sometimes no you are forced to do some of these things because maybe normally me fani equalization me positive comparison me equalization the way yes na me yes but me dey toto ho amanfo ahu eno wo ho but when it comes to side issues way of national interest I was here na ya trance NDC aban ye circle Dubai yes ye plan bi to ho say e bia ye mfa check drainage MPP ba ye NDC MPP e kwan be ne ye fa so na side drainage no ya ye na frad ne ajai no abegina ha ye plan to ho obi say ko fa engineer ba ye obi say BAC is that what we want is that the solution as a country as a mind you pese ekoye ni mo say ni you pese ekono blame game and away by any passes we and I want no week in the buku no and ye see but make ye can nyina me unim I will put 70% blame on the citizenry of this country. I didn't na make us say drainage na will be send that mo boss worker say ombetim ombeyese make yemfa ne say nipa be 100 e de to baller nso to am form baller e be tugu gotem yenti gotem ni mu nyina na enipa 500 and starting for omo baller megu gotem ni e say drainage na ya team no so be bamfa so ana oh enti ade bi wo ha e wo se enya hwe da no hwe social media di na obi afa ni robam yi mu say sam oto ye na ekohe kochoki na nsuo na free aburu ni ade ba no aba na no aspile hwe enipa sam aye ka makua he ye so kwasea se dokono eto hye kura magimi kura menim sa ben mi ensuo to na ensuo twifa lord kwa mu a despite me use 4x4 mi nkofa mu da na wa nam fom oh mami nko gina store na wo ho nanim mami ensuo ba bom ayese pebe save place bi gina anaju 12 na be kofie kura akọ no wo gini ho akinye na ensuo awa hodin o na fe ochira akofa sama ba he ade ntia make asemi bremu Ghanaians no hwe ba bia ayi omubie ye friend say ayi ensuo ya ba bia weja dam ye be ka on so ne ye bebio ada ye bebie no ubenya nipa begina TV so aka kire o say ensu afom ne ma me ametia wo shi matese ye bebie ensuo wa oti area ho no enti wo de won tese ye bebie spillage na manaba
nipa wo blemu se Ghana for na wo blemu omo obi to ball agugatemi no nti ye ni obi so anadwuma ne se nipa no ade no a wo ye ne nya ye che no enye ye ni edika meba ni yetoso mienu wo kan no enenad mopani no betena hayi agi atomu as ni esamija mfika yese ebra na wo se yetete gata numu no ya nte na ye nsuo no to ne gina mu se ye tigata mu wa bra ye nim se sabri na ye leti ene ye ho adwuma eti se samija mfi call for say omo ye in charge ne should resign a enye ne kwa so a
why resign
education minister na Samuel Atachia ni onso hwe adansie ni ensuo so won omusikom
abakwa won say make kasa kire won won line na mato no but say questions na wo bisa me say na be mama deviate because mama kire o da me kire
when deviate wan kasa wa kan say nipa hwere won kwa enti no so obi negligence na nipa wu a you think said the person should sit there no aduma na
eno ne de ne nadmo boss no so ka kire wo say omo ye plan wie no the advice is there ye ka kire omo say omo nye drainage wo cycle you know na nso na timi akọ na nso ne betoku kise kra no wa be ka kire say matim na all the time ye budget ma say koye drainage no wahu hwe makua ade bi ho ho ye ba yi I mean, what I think they say, mini asa me buy was say, oh, any power say any say wa console family no. Yeah, kono plan ABCD we nedaho. Abayi buy and who say omonya hoche. Entini the betrom say planner His Excellency the former president yet to say yemfa develop cycle ma ensu eta ho ne nkono. Mesre na adukufu ado aban say omo hwe na omonya saade ne na okina bi ensu amefa nipa bim. You are being nationalistic. You are being nationalistic, but at the end of the day no watch say NDC abani ye bedru baabi MPP aban so mfa free baabi nko baabi. Wakasa as a statesman fine. But say obejina ho ebe ya say obi nko resign obi nko esi that is where you bring me in to come and do the politics because 126 ni we as atem minister ni Ghana when I resign enso si nkrofo o second when I resign enso no nyenso na ebefa petrol di befa ho na nipa be hye so intermediate da bia makua me pese ye nyina ye trans ya so man ni ehu se oh e bia problem ayewoni sa problem we nipa ayewu makua ye ba ye bisa obi card omo awunu nipa 15 years omo awunu obisa nadmo boss ne say ahina ye NDC for ahina ye MPP for obisa no so amisa because they are all Ghanaians and we should think about Ghana ye my Ghana no na fe ye wie no ye the political enema aba bewura mu make ya na wo kase afe na ye tim me I think say the bia me kama sem say ye hwe na so obi ye dwuma na wanye na dwuma yi a ekwan mra kwan bia wo say nipa so ye MPP ni o so ye NDC ni o mra kwan bia de ne be fa so ama so ebeyi na dio so be na dwuma you we should do it. But at the end of the day no ade ba ko was ye hunu say education of the people and ye yankasankasa so ye bambo edi ma yankasankasa ye ni padua said ye na wo kan oh munue ayi abusuafo ya mamo ya akọ ye de no be ma wo ye de ma wi a ede abiem na aka enipa na wunu say obi eyire obi wo yire wo ma obi wo papa obi ya maami wo fie obi ya kwala ne papa kura ba firi adwuma ba ono ni ndi nkomo ne ada ene wo lusu sa nipa ni nyina enti makua me de Mesre Ghana for na Master His Excellency Nanado Dankwa Akufo-Addo and the minister in charge say if there is anything we can do quickly to solve these problems yenye no man yenya hoto
yeda se Abusuan Francois ne atene nka no nana ya ohene wase ebi wa mitie o papa na NDC onda ni ode ba ya no kwabna Tuesday so ede ya abode aba say ebi wa kola no a complaining about Nanado ba etu kwan yakodi ni birthday no kachira ne say wo mampani dada mama breso nso to case manema sa you samebo ache so ade ni asaman kese ne wodi free so ebi wan mesre Ghana for say obi anya botre na mampani Nanado amamu a wobue no obi amfa mpaibo enta nachi na Ghana for ent wo vote abotoma anu wan Samija mfi asem bi e betop no so no Samija mfi the politics be wure madwuma NDC ye no fa wa azama sama nso de ni o se good morning ABY na adwuma pa na wo ye ma my Ghana na NDC amanyokuo no ka che wo se Ghana for da so twen wo manifesto na ma yo ni omu ye bode do omutiri so no enye message eti ka che omu se omu fa manifesto ni mra na Ghana for enhwemu nhwe so obeto aba no ama woni a odo ichema so adie was say ABY ye da soa ebisa muso ehia mpa odo jama say ka che NDC for say Ghana for enhu wonuma asem omo kan policies omo wono omo mfa emra na omunya say omo attack electoral commission no Evangelist Nicholas Nketia so edieni was say ABY Samija mfi say drainage system na nka interchange no omo ye no ho asembe badabi wonder ne de ode ba ya no ma me nko na eye mini abema mensa so mayen Peter
everyone medase na menfa kwenye so na menchia Ghana fawa bre na wo hwe na wotie a friend saying Asempa Kukurantumi dwumadi na me se waju ofidie ekwachire pa na timamufuo anope waheda agebere pa no wotie inti yenchia omo ene enuan mo hwe wo Facebook na yenchia NDC mpanifo the national chairman of Asempa and all the executive especially our national communication officer Samija Mfi na me se enre ya so na informal chairman so ne wu echi ne eyi ho nsemsem ekoso nti yebembo ebusua so akoso ama ebusua yakọ ene NDC as a party so ene oman na sanse yehwere adekase na ebi amenchia woni abedwafo a yehyem enanope na edin kan no saa flood nsɛm yɛni kan ɛmfa yako ɛma abusua wahwere wɔ na de hye no kwasɛm yi ɛyade a ɛya so hu sɛ unka bi nhyimu na nsuo ɛtɔ na adehye afiri mu yayaya saa no kwasɛm ɛyade a ɛya enti yɛbɛma abusua nyinaa ɛya akɔ wɔna wadehye nso ɛprepra no so yɛ bom nyame mpa yɛ sɛ ɔmo bentimi aba abɛka yɛ ho biom na oni bibi isi ɔmana yɛ mu no anema mienu bi a ɛha yɛm pa ebi wa ɛyɛ hypocrisy and dishonesty nyatwom ɛne no kuredie asa ɛna ɛha ɔman sisi a you see it is time we call a spade and not a long spoon only bibi Ghana for course in 2016 a yɛkɔ akɔto aba no yɛto aba ma President Akufo-Addo ne MPP sɛ President Akufo-Addo NDC aban ayɛ nneɛma ABCD ɛnhyehyɛ a wɔyɛɛyɛ no Ghana for yɛhwɛ mu no baabi asɔ yɛ mu aduro nie ɛnso yɛbɔ nnwo so waka nsɛm dɛ wa wɔhyɛ yɛn bɔ akɛseɛ bɔ south mi sɛ tɔfam a yɛbia meka sɛ ebi wɔ ha na ahyɛ coat na asa paya boy bɔ with swag ɛna President Akufo-Addo de ma Ghana for enti sansam na tɔ Ghana for smo ɛne ato abade ɔman na japadeɛ ɔman na so yɛ mantem problem nyinaa de aso President Akufo-Addo because ɔsi yɛn to abama no na ɔbɛsesa Ghana a wɔkyerɛ Ghana for say within 18 months ɔbɛsesa Ghana enti no impring aye wo mu no problem bi a yɛkɔ so ɛwɔ ɔman ni mu no yɛnkɔ Afghanistan yɛnkɔ South Korea ɛnkɔ first South Korea problem president say ɔman Ghana yɛn problem a yɛmu ni o President Akufo-Addo is the incumbent president who is the commander-in-chief of the Ghana Armed Forces, who is the custodian of all our resources. Into no problem, he is first person to be hold responsible and accountable. But we will go there. Because if we fail to hold people responsible, there's no way we are going to solve our problem. So the main issue has to do with who has been given responsibility and how is the person accomplishing that responsibility. We have to go there to me and renegate that aspect. Now, ban of flood issue any adi we now. So what can I encourage you? Asudia timamufuo eda yeso. Any asudia abino and also I was here. Na die di kan everywhere. Ehun be here pass timamuni bia entiasie se asase ye wo aban se also protecting ye niam nyina no ye ntimamufuo no so ye hwe se ye niye ya na montuo ye esuben bia ye dana dia ebe ha oman nkon ganko no e wo se ye nyina ye he tie. We talk about attitudinal change. We talk about discipline in the system. So when no sometimes me for come and am for kosa. Obi atna kam wato na ade no. Wato ade wie no. Excuse me. Wadi ade na wie no. Ewura no na oto ato abonten. Me mani am for kosa no de we ya hwan. We should quote, we should dear me who am no becon. Because a young man out to go, oh, ma, one uncle press and run out to no. Me told the enemy to come, me be some to months and I'm a doofy no my disposal. And you know, say, I'm yet to do good basa, and yeah, I don't know, but then so tired, Chiana Kochoki, young more motive baby, a waterlogged areas, no, only a problem, no. And this year, about this issue now, you better talking about dignity. Ghana 40 more for my man, Cassian, try say. You bet Shani, I discipline with some of these things because flood is Yama a war or river imo. And Yama fear young Casaya, you could die. You run on Motunto force when your friend said Cantamantonia the other. Ubeko na a boy yachitini befuania quaco jat to a be a Nucasia and the other. These are some of the things at the end of the day, the consequences what we see. And Tibemufo, a best. These are some of the things you say. na ye wo ba amafo prepra ye mfanya adisuade se ye ne ye ya na monto ye suba ya ye dead no ni sunsanso bia ye nya no entie no ye nyina ye mfa mpie hofo ya ka ne sa wie no ne ya ba se wan ye de tumi a hye ne sase wonye niama meni aba aban we ya aban a ade a mahu won ho no se ade a enye se ode eho abasobode no eno no ode na die ewo so ye na Ghana for bona baso mu no sa wanya na Ghana for ko kan wo mo se ye politics they should give us a break with that mini François hwe yanti kroma ena otufo boa ye me ko solve dagbon sensemi president Kufuor do kwaji apakan si ye mo no safo hene wona aye ama dagbon sensemi yaba na otufo was started sa adi initiative for 15 good years no ye jana to enu nyama eni kwasa wo kwaji no ni e dwane ni etumdika ni e kwa kwaji enu nyam die nyankopon kwampo ye ma o man Ghana e wo se ye di enu nyam ma nyankopon na president Kufuor do e kwaji enu aka ho but what betna ba so mfie miensanie ensuo yiri everywhere so woni first nadmo panine kasa no se avena ensu tobre ne be wura mo ye nya wura ensu tobre ye nya wura ensu tobre no ensu a enyewe a eba keke no ana nipa edunsia ahwere wona wonka ya hwere wonkwa because the government of the day has failed. The government of the day is being irresponsible. Minyaba say yako yen areas are in soka a flood na most times no nim say big river banner in swa yen various gutters na etwiko gum no eye odo river etino ana kole ayi no so eti say oman bia aban no epese ohwe say flood en so tona say yen ma flood ma they also show the first ne say kole no ana say odo no emu etesen the moment the odo choke and I said the moment the collect choke no at the end of the day so ne ba na be pem enti antumi enweden endroni enko na sa go back enti ubo se na ka komu ba bia achoki me ka last nso eto na me nua kwadwo ye gina kanasi he ya kanasi obeche bi run about ho everywhere na nya de ba na nsuo yiri amafo edu nsuo masukote se de yakọ epo emiye gari epum na awira ko na mamefo emerwa ekurukura yiye ye nenam nsuo mo ye ne ma awira hosam ne abusa se entia so ye betena se ne ye ho te se opete ne atena se aka se ensuo to ana se ensuo to gya ya mede mesimi dan yeti krom haya na Accra Mayor 2018 ebe catch the Ghana for say almost spending 1.5 billion in draining the water. And due to that, no, you have flooding problem because 2018 is one to. In short, you have flooding issue, a major flooding issue. And now, I'm going as a for you. A boy, young my basso, Sansa, who's you, a month flood the AC. And now flood the sea. I'm a month who you busa bansa a bind dear na waya. Womo se yamfa blame no koma NDC ayati opposition e dia ina moya because mayor nankasa babontin and as a national coordinator abamtia be kase a lack of funds sika yenya ye de be kwakote odoni mu eno na amaye den yenya sa problem yi because ye tiati odo river ni mu a at the end of the day
no so man e kan say sika
me say
the menen nadmo PRO kasa bisan say omuni sika o so omugu adwuma no so
ni aba won so kacha say Benin kwa na mkoji sika mewa
enu nim sika pro
me nde sika bay yet your mem have every why
utia no ati
ma mentie o
also flood victims no mo June 3rd victims no and Benin for this compensation from mo nya flood no oni bebe aye se flood na si anke de sa sika we beba flood na si say flood victims eni e de sika ne komo mo ne fa so bo mebo aha na me kire say ye solve ye drainage system na flood ni si na nipa nwuwu a sika bia baba bia nya project nya de be ye enti irresponsible government ayen hwe say ye be solve ye drainage system no at the end of the day flood ni si panipa na be wuo yakoto to na we wo kan no irresponsible governments and our government
se sia no se dem di kan ka kire no eye president Akufo-Addo aban na wo so a ye belemu no NDC aban wo so no ye kan sama esi wo ho endi mprempren ya me no kasei flood esi anipa dunsia awuo no eye president mama be so na president Akufo-Addo so president Akufo-Addo so de na ekoso a enye ye kan ye president Nurse aban so de na ekoso a enye ye kan ye president mama man so de ekoso a enye ye kan imprenya me no kasei eye president Akufo-Addo aban na wo ho ye nyina ye nkambom astimamufuo ne hold the incumbent government responsible ne hwekwa ye be fa so problem no
kasei mu na wo so utimi situate wasam na aka ne say baby America fa ni because
yes I want America fa
kan beni sika no na wo de ba be si we so na aka say senka ye adwuma yi anka say sika no enke be
me se ma tro say Accra mayor aka amayate ase say imprint because of lack of funds and you to me and drain current because afibia you have to drain the order and a dear situation idea but to one draining the pet I don't ever choky into the various drainage systems I want many nano a banana a walk crane and a baba choky and pray me no can say a bra in so to break a sex sikasi kwendu yeno and a young who say and so a flaggy baby any pass a flaggy ukwa benya udu crossing a honum de nim say and so to be a crossing sa gata na ho no and so ni yiri na kwa benya ye fa ni baby a ye wa ayare gamotie na se nso atone akase honum so yiri a edu why ya dabraka enti ye ka at the end of the day say abana what so no anabo be no motuo they have failures and penify ya pa mo te say de na mi wa samija fika no ya pa mo so mo nhwe na ye nhwe say Accra will be the cleanest city in Africa na ye nhwe say at the end of the day ni yen timamufo ne ye ho be san ye ho betimi ato won no won ya waduma yi a enei flood kakra esiye na nipa dusia ewuo no we are holding them responsible say at the end of the day you tiomoka taxpayers money and you di tiomoka
yeah that's it abusia Peter Mensa na yate ne nka say ode ne de atumu no kwawuni nana Kwame Dakwa yi otoso mienu kwawu abachifin en wode we firi o say ebi wan aban a wote so a won ne ho moden na entwodie bia nkuguo bia wobedi no say NDC wobegie di hwe leadership we di oman nanim sesei no na wose Ghana fo hu say a very incompetent government and what ya de so no enu nti so oye bibi na sanya wo be hwe kokan ya omsi o na NDC abreso ne siye Ghana fo nyina nyintum say great change nu o ka say bo change amana ba no a bad change 2020 e was a change no Ghana for sa change no Mark Oliver Kevo incoming MP for Afram Plain South ebi wa chia no emame kwa uni na Kwame Dakwa yi otoso mienu de no success case senya so ade ani pike kasoa o se ebi wa no kwasem ne say NDC ni alternative bia ya sanei NPP pokasa wo munko bie okura wo mu de beba ade ombe ye a enye na Ghana 40 warriors say okay samusimu asesa momfa ne ye hyeboto mu aye no mra afeni omude bakora de adutwam nyanyanyanyanye wo de yehwia enye yie weni aban a wo so wosan be pa o man so adi no kwam na acidity ahafo akire nsu ade ni o se bi wa mechia mu na hwe mama aban no de se ye ka desilting odo river no mu a ebiribia no wo ye eni agiso onipa kro wo nte Ghana na abekasa wo anhu bi enso hwe Kufu-Addo aban yi omo so omo na omo ye competent ba ye ne ye hu ene ne ye tie nyina enye Charles Nyame de we fra saman kese na eba wo se ebi wai no kwasem ewom ne se ade papa bi eni we betumi akoso wo mayimu sa biri ya yetimu no MPP aban ya bere so edabi efiri bra na nado be fa adwa nyina bibia ye basa ade bi abebodin bambo edien eniema nyina wo ka so a na omo shift blame omo na omo nsa wowa na omo point fingers Nyankopon enhu Ghana emobo papa eriku se kwada de asese Ghana politics pa tanyo hwesa meje mvia no pa ne wo ye no ho wo dwi ne ho papa wo se de enhia yira na nado bisa ne se sa yinu a wonum ye ne soro ho de sa wo ho mra ne Sakri Dubai no wo ye ni yi a enko wanimu nche eriku se kwada de asede no ma me fansia ye besa betwa so echi na me nko chairman so na ye ntwa so emfa emfiri ehwonomo empem enko yanimu se ya ewo ne aka ye de eba eni aka yede ebetu edwa amamo emu chama mani ebetu aso edi amaye chama
Minyaba medas I think say me use platform me ama me aketwa bi happy birthday
what do you say
Nana Chum Ampofo and then when you 5 years me man happy birthday but I feel so it's still regional executives and the constituency executive will be always still region be answer me chairman
what chairman no di no en
oh me chairman because jinabi Mary but still one from me chairman because me juma
na ni ori ni enso ye friend say
me juma me nyina me juma mo from me chairman
I see
edamidin so before ansana sa
and you sukura still chairman
sa no bia Eastern region
to asoma chairman to asoma
okay now and Mathieu Asempa menuamo NDC kana omo boy somwo say me say say you take responsibilities of whatever drainage and so yi kumkrofo but me person omo ti ase say omo ye nkrofo a omo dwen abato omo ye to about and omo pa ba na wi ni ntino da bia no sa ne ma no omo ye a omo nwen enchima ho their legendary leadership and Mahama leadership no dreams or beto ye beto aba no wari ana ye leadership ne say ye be dream chima ho na ya ye nyuma die bebre kire say ye critical thinkers in terms of the development of the generation e be a free senior high school program a lot food planting for food and jobs they are all programs that will promote yen nipa that ni omo bedini ni omo beda na yema flood kosono se si a flood na oko circle example say yetimi fasika millions of dollars see a whole interchange omo former president Jerry John Lawrence yereka say that time say ye ka priority project he thinks says our project no mo ye no mfaso ni so omo ye no omo technical team timi kire say adie amuye ebechoki amansu ayi e mpatamwa enti ebe ya amfa drainage system proper planning drainage system enhihim omanye ena omajato hwene project amuye nyina no sika ye spending as oman ne ene adie chia nsuo to ane yesi wo circle enti see a leadership these two leadership you see say there's a leadership that think about generation I know senka yen time na nke yesa project na nke bedwin say nsuo betimi ayi amreko a say ya nhwe ni ya solve that problem that project ayi mfaso bi e maso and I will repeat it the bia radio bia mekoso bia asembis no me catch you say sa second touch in the omo be to solve traffic issues but and solve that issue it didn't solve it because the bia be free traffic no connect traffic
and there traffic na so
unya free circle na oku akanesia oba kochoke
na circle ho de na
o say what film you're thinking say you are solving time
no so omo anwie o say na wo say obeche bi ho nom de no to aso eno so asisen
me pa chawo ni omutimi wie ni e ka ho asem
okay na wo say mo to aso
mo ka am asem mi beti adin now say ye project now for say compare how to build those projects with cost and time because it's Ghana for taxpayers money. If you answer or say distilling, yen as of today, ya trawa mamre aso ansa ni yeko yigatem. Ninya eska. Nina esika se obe planning ye. No wetimi atua contractors omo yeka. Enti ska dodo say ni spending on odo every year. Enti your man ya dream who say sika ye say no e wodo just to distill every year no kwan be ni e fa so aso. It's a national issue. So, omo ba no omo beka politics. No man can omo ye omo contribute to the flooding issue in Ghana. E bi ni second interchange omo na cause here. Now, say ye twaso ni e keka flood ni e hwe say empatem e den na obetimi aya ebetimi ama nipa ho atono. Ene ye nyina ye nim say ye wo climatic changes. Climate e contribute to these issues aye hu sisi ye. And you may use such an aba ensuo bi wa 20-30 years ago na volume say bass aseso no ene asesa massively enti ye expect say emprempren no saa ne ma ni nyina ya ade e contribute to ama nipa e ma flooding ne jasehye ne ade na ama aye too much. It is a say obi responsibility na say same way si na ye national issue na ye tackle from that end. Now the politics bam dia na ye refer back some mo ye friends election mo dream about one nti mo project am ye bia no about one nti na mo ye about one mo be win election ye wi a Sophia am den be ne nam circle ha e be gi mani na mo dream ho say ensuo e be fa nipa am o ma wu de ma anwen ho eti sanka mo dream one say president Kufuor then time oba your friends o win president 2000 ni ye nim say your friends o kwa alajo a na so yiri fa nipa bebre wo dream hu say so bie gates nim o mo bie gates nim akase e ma nsuo ne ba na ekọ eti wo ba na nka so e so rehwe gates e so timi bia na say obekata so na say obetuma akomo na timi atwi nsuo na akọ na akọ enye say oba akọ be si second touch within 2 years na say contribute nipa death. Now we are some big now because a new leadership, His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo Obaye, and no show responsibility. Who caused it? I know you have one can answer.
And you know, most on the ambassador and Diana Moya family.
Currently, and on my picket design works no, like circle, like Kaneshi as of today. First in Soto, I send in a yiri kum nipa hono. Yenim se gata oko sa secondary school na also ma build a big gata ho and ensuo no kwa ensuo to abon se na aflo ko o ti ase ye 2 years sa construction ye ka we kura no Kaneshi second traffic now they call secondary school
first light now
good omo ye eko say o ma build system I bet me
me gina ho no nsuo no to no ye gina ho onya ba bi mba omunwie ye omunwie nka say fa
meba me guso meba it's one yes akọ friend say malam okay ye nyina e refi say nsuo to a ohotimi kum nipa be 10 malam sa overhead ne so unya tra gata na da ho an nsuo kabana ni untimi ntam enso as today and now me kofa nsuo to bia ni wa wo mate sa issues no o ti ase ade bi wa you almost stadium ba bia yes o mo tackle issues no mutimi solve enti eye kakra so ma ye malam a solve no om de adu Kaneshi anu so mbe solve no ma de aba circle ne mo am create no ma solve enti kakra as generation na ye try say be bua nchima no eno ne yadwen ho na me nko see overhead e wo your friend saying ma ba bia na mo ke mo say project from circle Kaneshi wo ne asan be see overhead who see overhead you are there now there ne nsu abeta ase eno ye yadwen ho. No, we need to be very fair. We need to be very fair because nipa na wo ya de na man no. Oh, you have to beautify the place. Me wa no accommodate no. Me wa nsuo eku no. Yes. Na say kere na mo dey. Mo wi enye dede na mbo on say mo da ni Dubai.
What work first state.
Me say mo ya circle mo sima ya circle Dubai. Ne mo kan no ye nyina nim say circle Dubai. Eno na mo kan enti Dubai te say beauty. Mo wi nipa no nsuo eku no. And the man who amu say drainage system I say mo yefa mo amu your friend saying overhead ya sin na manye and mo jaguo na nsuo na e ba e be kwan aferi essence e kasa na enua no mo nsu titim fie hwe bola ye nyina ye ye tugu abonten ye nyina ye take responsibility governance enye nipa baako say president si ye dey adwen to say bibia president dia na ade ne niam ye habitual issues no ye take ni serious say obi a ono so ye adwuma under the sanitation concept no media me for say ye make sure say NDC for say ye ade a ye say ye nyina boda road a ye nka nche o mo say ne ye kwa akochi obi a mo nkoka say ye chiche nkrofo de o makokot akojele om nti o mo nto abenti ahen because you person solve problem so o ma hu ni sa no ma imagine say you could take any issue to say near 2008 you better aba driver for na say mo koso ni ade ni e kwachi o mo say the driver for control mo to abenti ai what you say there are issues in Ghana aya say you drink chima ho nti you drink chima ho ni ye say ne His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo o yes see ano na wo ba criticize no say e so e build overhead na ho ye fede a enye no ne ye adwuma o Ghana nti bi yaba say ena ye ka say ye nyina ye hu say yes one issue pa ye climatic change yamfa no ewiemu sakrae no aba into America all over the world nsuo to a the way tata baby no too much into na kwan be na engineers ya training omogana ha amakuko school akese professors omotiti office omunyina ka bom ami ehu se adi we say climatic change volumes of water na yet saying say first na 50 millimeters say na be 200 into kwan be na construct Accra and as you be relocate Accra you relocate now you make sure say systems na wa ani na you building to save life because you answer money pa ho ban the be aba betan na blame nkrofo
yeah that's it. Yeah, that's Abusia chairman Paul Amani and Yatine no Eastern Region and or MPP communication team or come home. Ma menko na kwajodan kwantras my kwajo so my
ebi mache na pomo
adom
ya da nyame ase na o se chairman ya friend say chairman Amani onu bi say me so friend Amani ya friend Amani na ya me wanwa say ya friend Amani na free Eastern Region na wonsamu a ken ase ode no ye bekwa no ase machiri everywhere mami mfanchi ama bedwafo minchia ya national chairman ofusu ampofo chairman papa chairman obadwuma ahese NDC be wini aba in 2020 na mfanchi ama me kromfo yosu no me bra Kofidan Unity Brothers me jimidi se awi anopei waje adwa one ne mpamfo omutie de bia omutie papa unya drosi na omabiem se ku ha na station ho osuno station Kukurantumi ebi wa mo pewa sa na akrom be fa na me no ko
graphic no
da me kono pa me
graphic no
me to bi abrawo eti ebi wa uni problem na ebi wa ni di kan ebi wa me se afem me raho ene senka wasa me bobe na mpa wasenka me bo
Asempa
se baby ye dru no ebi wa ye dru baby a wasa me no ebi wa ye sore waka na no kra wasa ye ka kire woni a nya broni fresh ye no won social contract no e wasa ye ka sa no kra ne kire wo ebi wa die ntia ye to aba ene se ye to aba ye kandifo a yen how ya mani hunu na no ya de show monsa so mo mehwe no munyi free sao how ene amani hunu no eti se to aba ma na wo be fa benya na o first year o second year na getting into your third year ni awo ye nyina eye wa adwene se eye opposition na wo so eye saa bre no ane emfa so bo mo no a ene na hu behia se e wo se wan kasa wo twe wo ti nchen na ya to aba ede ma opposition no ba no be solve problem everywhere you see ye nuano mo kasa no circle interchange no crowd ye di beautiful ntina make us ensem na okan why am so want ase circle na beautification circle interchange amani you see ntina edina e friend na edina ya amani no ho obi okwa din bi ya amani no ni pan ye bi asebe ne nsem okan na no timu se emu do but ensem a okan emu no because me wa fire dem to na your friend Kofi Amani otu osi no utimu se nipa no kasa na nsem ni mu do we better like say circle interchange no a beautification but everywhere I am not to be me ya so say one man ka say circle na ye na beautification uni eye nkofo a asolve problem am first no na ufiri eye Madina and I say ufiri how do you call it Paloma ho e besia ko eye Canada. Do you know how many hours now take it? And then just within a matter of bare 5 minutes of fast no do Canada. O see a beautification. You see, but me the better if you say much am ye hunu say mo ni mama mu much am ye hunu say mo enya de asabe Ghana fo no o mu bibia o mo ye na dama kuma so enti me the better Ghana fo so the better if you say one gasa woni nya woka ni di kind everywhere ye circle interchange how many years ni wo o say ye friend say drainage yi bi de to ho ayanye o ba wa fa banyo enfie mienu nie si ye nya ya ade na wo nye ho adwuma. So why you doing blame them? Say we na tumi sha wonsa. Ye dwuma no e. Ye de tumi sha wonsa. Say bi oguso a wo blame you bi ana. Ebi why. But you see ebi why. MPP for hu. Ni ya na ya me ya mare hu o mo nkasa em. Ene say sade na koyie dia ya mo mabaso. An koyie a ya mfa ho so bo ne ntansa no. Ya mfa nkobo obi ati opposition. in 2018 Thursday 10th May 2018 ajeso wa akrameyo ekotena fidie so ekachire Ghana fo nyina se wo ma yusu sika 1.5 billion Ghana cedis am ye dey deselte all the drains enunti na nsuo toye no ye hunu se nsuo afọ obi na kumobi it's no dey wo mo se ye mfa ho ye friend sen abasobode no ye mfa ma wom efise wo mo no mo boa ma nsuo anyi won kan na de nsuo no ayiri no yamfa ho ntansa no nkobo John Dramani Mahama. This is the kind of competent leadership and the ABY. The kind of competent leadership and the ABY. But you see, ABY, when you say honorable Ajeso Akuriyai in 2019, as well Abekase, a year in Sujiri and the year is because say yen draining yen odo ene or your friend is saying Koli Lagoon yen draining mutin and AC into betrana catch me say a circle interchange nama a year in Sujiri ba na one kasa unim nyawoka because AM boss ya de Ghana sikani tuyanaka ya de Ghana taxpayers money and ya de man so one yedwuma so fam waye no one ma be catch them say because say yen desertil mu no emunti anane Sujiri FI into the asem na wokan. But you see, everywhere on the more important issue, okay, say you two abaman not dan Kufuado. I say, man penny so many Ghana son. Okay, I say man not dan Kufuado kind. A bra okoyi 100 and was it 100 and how much? 112 and 112 and now 125 or 24 no. What's that some kind? Because man penny not dan na uyi ni pado dosa. Or say nye do no ne. Nemo so be ye dwuma so dia bo man Ghana am ban Ghana fa nto pafra enu ne hia enti one na mayi emu na no wo mo de wo mo eye shoulder e be putu ne onto the wheel no ma ye dwuma so dia ma eye man Ghana ye dimu ne de ko fa eye sanitation minister anyway and that sanitation some at the same na human nature na human nipa yesu ne ban sanity yes and a philosopher because said human beings without laws are the worst form of animals and until we for sanitation minister and until you one ya will enforce emra it's who ban no e was said there so be anya ne dwumadie yi a obehwe na emra ne na ede you don't come and complain to we the citizenry say ye see ya memrani ni it's as simple as ABCD. And someone in no one more cano. You see, me do no ase. But everywhere near one room near yam she was idea woman say. Ensua to toy and so na to yes medua sape na e fan crofo na se adwapade na manfo ovu. What is a rainy season in Pony? A fan ye call rainy season. And the man yam I am say and yen rainy season upon a mouth for a woo say. Now you be do rainy season or ABY. One share yen to me a day and continue. Eti ewu say o man panini na suafo a wa pa won say won hwese eye krom ha eye efi ene se gatesa emu atwokini ade ade be yi na ensuo nyiri fa ye ne o ma ye hwe ha ma Ghana fo obu no won de o na de beguo eti so ura sami jamfi e ka so mo fo mo na de enu ha na on ka abone ne kwa so ano no it's the Ghana taxpayers money and it is tuamka munim say oh ebu ama me for manu simpacho munim say ye ko ensuyiri brem ye ko bra ensuo en ensuo ne den etoto na wan hwe se eye niema ensuo to a ema eyiri fa ye no mo ba hedi hudwuma na ne ye du ba bi edu no ehu be hia se e wo so mo de mo na de egu fam ye da se abusua kwadwoda nkwa ene ya te ne nka no asem no ena wode atudwa no ye betwi ho aba na ansa na ye beko no na naboache ediwe aba na naboache se ebi wan ebia NDC amanyoko no wo wure fi ade kakra emfie mienu ena MPP abanya betena so ena mfie nwotwe ena NDC fo de bese wo man no etu omo sese wo bi di mfie nwotwe ese wo man no amekura de mese ebro na se buda me mafa ni mfie nwotwe so omo de se ye mfie mienu ye tumi di siesia na NDC fo enyan na nan ye koso nyina no ehomfo so efiri wo Francis Ahovi so de ye ode aba so ye bi wa mechia wo na mesre Ghana for yenye responsible kakra wo to bola e de agugata mu de enesen we ka ho bi na Ghana for ye ho echi ye no Christiana Amaso enie
say NDC emprahin na NDC fo ntena wo man ne so won ba ye de na omo ye ebi omo refi omo ho MPP ba ye mfie mienu amu ni o etu omo ka ne se ne MPP atena so mfie bebredi a etoda na ye menwanwa pa na ofoforo so e de ye ode aba David J wose ebi wai enti ye woni pa bi abeto na omo da so support JDM se won samra pa wa bi o enu nti na Yesu kan se ahiafo be koso awo mumu ara se quotation no say quotation o Bible mo no say eye dan no obi ka se abanya wa betena so adum so aba emma kwa wo so sabre national health man na kwa wo so kwanya adwuma wo ye unemployment graduate eba Ghana sada by ye bad branding by we nyina so obi si wo san atwen a me ho adwiri me papa Victor Young so de ye de aba Victor Asiedu Young wo se ebi wa ye mamimisa emfie senie me makan na ade tie me emfie aduanan nie na AFRC PNDC aban wonum ba wo ma Ghana mu sabre na nyagoro Ghana fo a wo ho kyerebo ne asem wesi ye no nyame nko a na di wo man no ho afofi na atwitwa sem a yedi bu man ene patapa ni bugabuga NDC fo peso sande betena wo man so de ebi emma o man Ghana mu ebiem odami samo kwa chidie ni London na wo difference ebi why hwe Ghana ye problem ye say which means ye wose ye DCC bola kenten ye wose ye DCC no ebi ni honomo me ba Ghana April no mu na bedru ye meto aburo we me pe bola kenten dia tumu a me ekita me sa na mdiwura me fie obayi o point sa ade ni si wonti wa amfa ntumu a na chese wafom na we de bi nsi wo na ade atum Aloteke Harrison so ade ni wose ebi why hwe very disappointed in MPP abanya watiso emu wo mu hu bottom fa kora nchem left and right kora mu hu na Kufu Ado aban de 2020 wo honomo dan so man na Aloteke Harrison ediwe efri abusia ye twa hu tia wa ba ye ba ne aka bia ye betra so amamo